Alright, no music yet. Hello again and welcome to hello again and welcome to... Hello. Hello and welcome to Free Game Reviews Online. Ah. Hello and... Hello, this is Free Game Reviews, where I take a look at Flash games and other games that are online that are free and tell you which ones really suck so you don't have to find out. Alright, so game is called Helicopter, and I didn't look at the controls. Alright, arrows. Boom, boom. I'm supposed to drop water on burning buildings. Alright, yay! And collect stars. Oh, simple enough. Ah, okay. And stars refill your water. Alright, so... Boy, this is complicated. I'm not sure if I can handle this. Alright, so... Now you gotta manage your water, so... Oops. In the heavens, I get too high. Oh, that worked well. So just stay up here. Boy, this game is full of excitement and adventure. Okay. Oop. I didn't even put water on that one. Are you seeing this? Well done. Thank you for putting out 28 fires. Play again? No. I'm not going to play this game again. Yeah, this was it was very straightforward. There was absolutely no sound. And there's no challenge in it. Okay, I'm going to play again and try to die here. Alright, let's see here. Can I die? Well, I can't crash into a building. Let's see here what happens when I run out of water. Come on. This is... Okay, so... Oh, I just have to go find stars, collect them. Oh, God. I can't even... Oh, you can't even go backwards. Okay. But I can, go... This is just dumb. Alright. This gets a 1 out of 5 for just idiocy. I mean, you could do something with this concept, but they haven't. It's simple. I beat the game in, what, a minute? And that's just idiotic. Come on, people. Come on. Anyway, see you next time.